Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to all of you from the Dr. Irfan Mustafa from Govet Postgraduate College, Harunabad. Today I will introduce the bioelements. First, I will define the bioelements. Bioelements are those elements which are involved in the maintaining of the life. Okay, those elements which having role in the life for the maintenance of life, these are called as the bioelements. Bioelements, these are the 92 naturally occurring bioelements and 16 commonly used in the living organisms. These 16 and a few others make the bioelements. In the human body, the 6 bioelements account for the 99% of the total body mass. It means that these 6 bioelements having a major role in the total mass. The major elements, these are the oxygen that account for the 65% and carbon that account for the 18% and hydrogen that is the 10% and nitrogen 3% and calcium is 2% and that is the phosphorus that is the 1%. Due to its major contribution in the maintenance of the life, these are called as the major elements. Look, the oxygen, it is the major respiratory gas. Look, the carbon, it is the backbone of the all organic molecules. And similarly, hydrogen, it is the main element that is required in the carbohydrates, in the fats, in the proteins, and similarly the nitrogen, that is the chief component of the nitrogenous bases in case of DNA and RNA. Similarly, calcium and phosphorus is the required to the teeth and the bones. Due to its major involvement in the life, these are called as the bioelements. Now I will introduce the minor elements. Minor elements, these are about 1%. These includes the potassium, that is the 0.35%, and the sulfur is 0.25%, 25% is sulfur, and the chlorine is the 0.15%. Sodium, that is the also 0.15%, and magnesium is 0.05%, and iron is 0.004%. These are called the minor elements. In addition to these major and minor elements, the other elements, these are called as the trace elements. These are needed in the trace or minute amounts to the body. These include, for example, copper, manganese, zinc, and iodine. So today we have discussed about the bioelements and its percentage in the body and its role in the life. Thank you very much.